brisket. I got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna smoke me a fatty brisket. I got my barbecue shoes on.
Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up some buffalo smoked fried wings at the pit. And it's real easy to do, that's what I said. Buffalo smoked fried wings. And if you've never done it this way, you gotta check this out. All right, Slasher is setting up the grill for smoking. You know all about doing that, right? We've been doing it for 18 years or more on the tube, on the face, wherever. You'll find us everywhere. Just check us out, and we appreciate your support. All right, so the grill is being prepped for the smoke, and here are the wings. Now, what Slasher's done here is marinated these overnight. Use about 4 quarts of water, a cup of apple cider vinegar, a half a cup of kosher salt, a cup of brown sugar, some Pit Boys buffalo rub, and, you can head on over to our website to get all the details, but you probably can remember those, right? All right, so here, after marinating overnight, he's just inspecting the wings again and getting off those little fancy little feathers. Now, if feathers don't bother you, don't worry about it. So here, he's just cleaning them up and also drying up these wings because we're going to put some rub on it, right? And we want the rub to stick. This is why we're going to dry with some paper towel. Now, it's about buffalo. And we're using our buffalo rub, which you can find pretty much anywhere or go online or whatever. And if your store manager doesn't have it, tell him to get it or you'll be shopping somewhere else. All right. Apply the rub pretty liberally all over those wings. This is what's going to give you your flavor on that smoke. But you probably know all about that, right? Oh, man. Now, we've got the grill set up for smoking, low temperature, maybe 275 degrees. And this is the good part. And it sure beats mowing the lawn on a Saturday morning. All right. Oh, man. Almost instantly, you begin to smell it, right? The smell that gets around you. All right. Take your time. It's your day. You're in no rush. And look at the size of those wings. A lot different than going in that drive-through, right? Well, those wings are, well, I don't know if they use a bucket anymore, right? Look at the size of these. All right. We've got them set up for smoking. Like I said, 275 degrees. And we'll cook them long enough to pick up some of that smoke. And look at that. Whoa. Lord have mercy. They look good enough to eat already, but no. They'll be still pretty raw on the inside. Yeah, and you don't want to eat a raw chicken, right? Ooh. Oh, man, look at that. Oh, man. All right, not long to go. Now, what does not long to go mean? You don't want to cook the wings 100% through, right? And you want to leave them a little undercooked because we're going to take them to a hot fry. All right? So you can temp probe those if you want. And we're going to take them off the grill. You've probably been on here maybe half hour, 20 minutes. Now, of course, you could pre-smoke a bunch of these, put them in the refrige, and pull them out when you got your deep fat fryer going in the house. You know what I'm talking about, right? There's nothing like hanging at the pit, taking a break from the BS, cook up some wings. All right, now, let's get the deep fat fryer going. You know all about this. We're going to heat up some veggie oil. Excuse that word, veggie, but we're going to heat up some oil or your favorite cooking oil. And while you're waiting, you might as well fly the flag. Let the neighbors know what's going on. All right. We're going to be frying these about 350. Choose that right temperature that you're comfortable with. And then we're going to take those smoked wings and drop them in the oil. Oh, man. That's music right there. Huh? Can you smell that? It smells good. And in a miracle of time, they're done. We've got them nice and crispy. And as you know, if you just a smoked chicken or smoked wings, they suck. But if you take them to the next step and fry them up, you got some crispy, fried, smoked chicken wings. And be sure to kick up the flavor with some of our buffalo rub or your favorite rub. Oh, man. You kidding me? So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com. Yeah.